Seventh identity is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab inside the bracket a minus b. First we will see how to derive the formula. Let's get started. LHS a minus b whole cube. We can write it as a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. That is equal to a minus b into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can write a minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply these two expressions. That is a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. A into a square is a cube. A into minus 2ab is minus 2a square b plus a into b square is ab square minus b into a square is a square b. Here minus minus becomes plus. Minus b into minus 2ab is plus 2ab square minus b into plus b square is minus b cube. That is equal to a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube. We can add the like terms, that is minus 2a square b minus a square b becomes minus 3a square b and plus 2ab square plus ab square becomes 3ab square. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This implies a cube minus b cube. Here minus 3ab is common. Minus 3ab inside the bracket a minus b. Therefore a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab inside the bracket a minus b. LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us solve some problems by using this identity. Example 1. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. We will use seventh identity. That is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2 by 3y. Substituting the value in this identity. That is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube is equal to x whole cube minus 2 by 3y whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3y inside the bracket x minus 2 by 3y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3y cube is 8 by 27y cube. Here 3 by 3 are cancelled. Therefore minus 2xy inside the bracket x minus 2 by 3y. This implies x cube minus 8 by 27y cube. Here minus 2xy into x is 2x square y. Minus into minus becomes plus. Here minus 2xy into minus 2 by 3y is plus 4 by 3xy square. This is the answer. Let us take the next example. Factorize 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Let us see this expression. Since there are cube terms and negative terms, let us check if this expression follows the seventh identity. That is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. When you simplify the expression 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 10ab square. Here 64a cube is 4a whole cube and 27b cube is 3b whole cube. Here let us take a is equal to 4a and b is equal to 3b and try to see if this expression fits into the seventh identity. We can write it in this way, that would be 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 4a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 4a into 3b whole square. 3 into 4a whole square into 3b is equal to 3 into 16a square into 3b is equal to 144a square b. This one. 3 into 4a into 3b whole is equal to 3 into 4a into 9b square is equal to 108ab square. This one. Therefore, the expression is in the form a minus b whole cube. That is 4a minus 3b whole cube. That is factor of 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square is equal to 4a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. These are the factors. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Thanks for watching.